today, but still wanted to show how special you are. Please a front people who can attend your special debate, who wanted to show how special you are.
Surprise! BFF Belle! Happy birthday! Senior na tayo ngayon. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come, and stay beautiful and healthy always. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Belle, my beautiful cousin and dance partner. Hope you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Belle!
We love you and we miss you.
Wish all the best for you, Tita Belle. More birthdays to come.
God bless
Love
you
you.
po.
We miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Belle. Wish you all the best in life.
Ninang, how are you? Musta po? Mano po? Happy birthday! Enjoy life to the fullest. Enjoy yun ng mga apo. And God bless. Take care kayo ng ninong. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tita Belle! Stay healthy, stay pretty. Greetings from USA.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Belle. We wish you a happy birthday and all the best in life. And good health po. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Belle. Andito ako sa Croatia. Kaya hindi kasama ni na Daddy. I wish you all the best, Tita. And more blessings and healthy years to celebrate.
Hello, Ninang Belle. Kamusta na dyan? Happy birthday. Sana pagkalooban kayo ng magandang kalusugan at mahaba pang buhay. At nagpapasalamat kami sa pagtulong nyo sa ating pamilya.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. We wish you good health and many more years to celebrate with Ninong, family, and friends. We love you, Ninang Belle. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita Belle.
Happy birthday!
Stay healthy.
Malakas po kayo dyan, palagi mag-ingat kayo. Kakagising ko lang po. Umaga na naman.
Ingat
See you
po.
soon.
See you. Bye-bye.
Love you all.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang! We wish you all the best and happiness in life. I know you're very happy celebrating your birthday today. Medyo surprisingly na may raming ganap ang Ninang. And thank you for everything. You deserve all the happiness and love. Hindi namin mararating kung ano man ang meron kami ngayon without you, kayo ng Ninong, sa lahat ng suporta na binigay at binibigay nyo sa aming mga pamangkin mo. Thank you so much and we love you. Stay healthy and pretty as always. Happy birthday, Ninang!
Happy birthday, Mami. Siguro nagulat ka kasi dalawa ang celebration mo. Well, you deserved it. Salamat sa lahat. Wish ko lang naman, wish namin lahat sa iyo is good health, long life sa inyo ng Daddy. Thank you sa pag-aalaga ninyo sa dalawa kong anak. Hindi mo man kami nga naalagaan nung bata kami. Bumabawi ka naman ngayon sa dalawang bata. And thank you sa lahat. See you soon.
All my life, you and Dad worked so hard to give us more than enough. All my life, I am loved and sheltered by you. Thank you for always helping us to achieve our goals and dream. Wala kami kung nasan man kami ngayon kung di dahil sa sakripisyo ng Daddy. Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga tao na napakaswerte ko to have a supportive family na walang hinihinging kapalit kundi ay maging masaya lang ako at makatulog ng maayos. Mommy, this is me, spreading my wings so high nang dahil sa sakripisyo niyo ng Daddy. Thank you for always being there for us. Kahit gaano kahirap ng pinagdaanan mo, palagi mo pa rin kami inuuna. I'm always on rush kasi gusto kong ma-experience mo lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo naka-experience noon. I love you, Mommy. I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy! I hope to see you soon here. I love you.